Algebra 2, 7.4 homework. The first three problems are asking you to express these as a single log. So this says log of 7, and these are both base 10, plus log of 2 base 10. So if it's a plus sign, you are going to multiply 7 times 2. Now you do not have to have the 10 there, but if you have it, that's fine. So how can you simplify this? This would be log of 14 base 10. Or you could just write log of 14. 7 times 2 is 14. Okay, now this one is a subtraction. So you're going to divide 9 over 3, and it's base 2. And 9 over 3 is 3. And the last one. Down. Okay, you can think of this as, you could actually rearrange these. So this could be log of 8 plus the log of 3 minus 2 times the log of 6. So because of the commutative property and the associative property, you can switch these around. This is actually because of the commutative property. So these two you can add together, but you're not adding, you're actually going to be multiplying, and these are all base 10. So this would be written as the log of 8 times 3, and then divided by 6. And then 6, this is 6 to the second power. So this 2 goes with this 6. So, and it's all base 10. Now let's simplify this. 8 times 3 is 24. And then 6 squared is 36. Okay, so we could actually simplify this. 2 goes into both of these. Actually, 12 goes into both of them, right? 12 goes into 24 2 times. 12 goes into 36 3 times. So you could also write this as the log of 2/3 base 10. You could simplify that. Okay, number 4, you have to expand this. So this is 8. There's 2 things you're going to do. You're going to write x to the 3rd plus log of y to the 5th, and then the power goes in front. So it'd be 3 times the log of x plus 5 times the log of y. And by the way, these are base 10. Number 5, you're going to expand this to be the log of 49 base 7 plus the log of x base 7 plus the log of y base 7 plus the log of z base 7. Now, this can be simplified. 7 to what power is 49? That would be 2. So you could actually simplify that a bit more. Okay, number 6. There's a few, actually you're doing all the properties. You're doing product, and you're doing quotient, and you're doing power. So you can first start off by doing the log of a squared plus the log, log of b cubed minus the log of c to the 4th power. And they're all base 10. You don't have to have that there. But then bring in front your powers. So 2 log of a plus 3 log of b minus 4 log of c. And number 7, the square root, the square root of x can be written as 5 times x to the 1/2 power. So you're going to write this as the log of 5 base 4 plus the log of x to the 1/2 power base 4. And then there's one more thing you can do. You can bring this in front. So the best answer would be the log of 5 base 4 plus 1/2 log of x base 4. So you've got a power rule and the product rule. Now these ones you're going to need your calculator. So if you do this on a calculator and you don't have the Inspired, you're going to type in the log of 9 divided by the log of 2. So let's do that really quick. If you have the old calculators, you're going to do the log of 9 divided by the log of 2, and you get
Teachers, please put out your
3.17.
recycle bin. Teachers, please put out your recycle bin.
Now, if you're using the Inspire, all you have to do is type in control log, and your base is 2, and 9 is your number, and you get the same answer, 3.16. Next one. The log, using the old calculator, log of 10 divided by the log of 5. And the answer is 1.43. And the last one, the log of 7 divided by the log of 4. And that answer is 1.4, same answer. That's strange. Those are the same answer, 1.40. Oh, no, it's not the same. It looked the same. Didn't it look the same? This is 1.43, and that's 1.403. Like, that's strange. Okay, and then the last one, it says the concentration of hydrogen ions in a bunch, in a batch of homemade ketchup is 10 to the negative 4th. What is the pH? You're solving the pH for the level of ketchup. So you're going to plug this in here. So you have -1 times the log of 10 to the negative 4th power, and it's base 10. Well, if you look at the you can do this without a calculator. If you bring this power in front, you have
Pardon this
-4.
interruption. Mr. Pizzo, Ms. Ottolini, Mr. Ekdahl, Mrs. Corrales, Mr. Crowe, Ms. Zamo, and Brian Manning. Just a reminder, the 504 meeting in the counseling office. Thank you.
Okay. So this one, all I did was bring this -4 in front, and we showed you that the log of 10 base 10 is equal to 1. So this is what you have, -4 times -1 times +1, and the answer is 4. Now what you also could do is type this in your calculator, -1 times the log of 10 to the negative 4th power base 10, and you'll get 4 is your answer. So either way, you can do it on a calculator or by hand.